Today we're going to continue. I'm going to continue showing you weather vocab from Unit 2. Last video we stopped with rain. Rain, remember you can sign it based on how the rain is. Okay. Today we're picking up with lightning. Next, thunder. Next, wind or windy. And you can again really exaggerate those facial expressions depending on what the wind is. Next, thunderstorm. Next, the sign for clouds or cloudy. In class, we talked about how you can see it signed two different ways. So again, or, and the next one, the sign for calm or quiet. Okay, finished.